What's up guys, welcome to Oz Wealth and welcome to another video. What an interesting week this past week. We had a big late day fade on Friday, big tech sell off until the last minute when we had a great unexpected reversal. And as you see here, the Dow ended the day with 251 points of a gain. S&P 500 ended the day with a 1% of a gain. The Nasdaq 0.5% of a gain. The Russell 1% of a gain. Energy is the top leading sector with almost 2% of a gain, followed by materials, almost around 2% of a gain. Real estate did really great on Friday. Information technology, the majority of information technology did well except Apple and Microsoft, the biggest contributor to the sector. Healthcare did pretty well, 1.5% of a gain. Industrial 1.18%. Consumer staples, steel and green, financials 1% of a gain. Consumer discretionary almost flat. And the biggest losers are utility and consumer and communication services. As for my Robinhood portfolio, as you see here on Friday, we had a kind of a lull of a tumultuous day. We started the day with a great momentum going up to the mid of the day where we almost started trending down. And the last 10 minutes, just the last 10 minutes on Friday, we had a great unexpected reversal all the way to $68,464. We ended the day with a loss of 0.5%. As for the week, we are down 1.18%. As for the months, we are almost flat. As for the 3 months, we are up 4%. As for the year, we're up almost 26%. And as for overall, we're up almost 25%. We ended the day on Friday, great reversal as I mentioned. The Suez Canal crisis dominated the market. The ship blocking the canal and the worried and the concerns about the flow of the market goods all over the world through this canal is on hold right now. I'm filming this video on Sunday night. We just got like 5 minutes ago that Egyptian authority were able finally to start moving the ship toward the right direction. It's not fully completed yet. I'm still watching this live from the Egyptian TV. It still seems like we're gonna have some time until this ship completely dragged to the safe location. But at the moment on Sunday night here in California at 10 p.m. the ship is still blocking partially the canal in Egypt, preventing all the ships that they are ready to go from going through. So hopefully in the next coming hours, this problem is going to be resolved. If not, here in US tomorrow morning, we're going to probably be affected by this. And as I'm watching the indices right now, I'm seeing the Nasdaq and the S&P and the Dow are all in red, which is great opportunity. What an opportunity we're waiting for. I mean, if Tesla goes down tomorrow under $600, I'm buying. If Apple goes down below 18 or $117 or $116, I'm buying. If ARK goes down below $110, I'm buying. So if the Suez Canal crisis continues, it's bad for them, it's good for us here. Let's see how tomorrow is going to pan out. I'm excited for tomorrow. I can't wait for tomorrow to get started. As for my Robinhood portfolio, as I mentioned on Friday, we started the day pretty good, great momentum to the middle of the day where we started to see this big dip toward the last hour on Friday where the entire market started to rally up, recover all the loss from the beginning of the day. And even after hour, things were pretty good. And as you see here on Friday, I mean, we ended the day with like a gain of almost 0.10%, ending the day at $68,932. As for the shares, Tesla, as we here own 25 shares, ended Friday losing 3% at $621. If we go to Tesla and see how the stock was like going, like struggling, the stock was actually hovering around 600. As you see here, to the mid of the day, Tesla was almost $600. Actually, it went down to $599. It was a great opportunity. But with the beginning of the Suez Canal crisis coming to the market and the expectation of that this crisis is not going to be resolved momentarily, and as I'm filming this video on Sunday evening, We still don't have this problem resolved. So if this problem continues into tomorrow, I mean, Tesla and the majority of the tech are still going to be sliding down. This is what I think. Let's see how tomorrow is going to go. Tesla ended the day with the last 10 minutes of a gain of coming up to $621. So going back to the main dashboard, Apple, we own 120 shares, ended the day almost flat, and also Apple was the entire day negative, and then the last 10 minutes went positive with a gain of almost 0.5%. Intel ended the day with a huge gain of 5%, and Intel today is at $65. ARK also, just like Apple and Tesla, was struggling. This ETF from Cathie Wood was struggling the entire Friday until also the last 10 minutes where the recovery happened and ended almost flat with a loss of 0.19%. SPHD a gain of 1.5% at $43. Great gain so far from SPHD. The average cost as we have here for SPHD is $33, so we made some profit on this. AT&T is finally getting to $30 and it's still gaining, as you see here on Friday, of almost a 1% of a gain. The REIT and realty income continues to rally up at $64.38 with a gain of 0.74%. LTC again 5.4%. Stag is also gaining 2.42% at $34.25. AGNC ended the day also with a gain of 0.77%. So as you see, we're all in green here except the tech. I mean, Apple just last minute reversal, but the rest are all in green. Main Street Capital 1.7% of a gain. Johnson Johnson 1.5%. Bank of America almost 3%. American Express, weirdly, as you see here, 0.18% of a loss, but it's almost flat. But American Express in general was doing really pretty well, and it's at all-time high. Caterpillar continues to score more gains at 2.34%. Coca-Cola at 1.29%. Philip Morris 2% of a gain. Exxon, the eyes are all on the energy stocks tomorrow morning. We'll see how the day is gonna go. Exxon Friday gained 2.44%, Pembina gained 2.52%, Con Edison ended the day 0.23%, and Hormel Food is the only stock not from the tech sector that ended the day in red with a loss of 1.3%. As for my main dashboard for my entire investing portfolio, right now we're standing at $88,242. We're getting close to 90,000, hopefully 100,000 by June, if not sooner, with the income from dividends at $2,214. And if we go to the diversification of the portfolio, as you see here, information technology, after adding 5 shares from Apple on Wednesday, information technology became the biggest part of my portfolio at $26. When it comes to information technology, we're talking about Apple and Intel are 26% of my entire portfolio, followed by Tesla, which is 25%. We'll see if Monday gets Tesla rising. Maybe Tesla will come first, and then Apple and Intel together will come second. We'll see. Real estate is at 15%. Communication services at 10% of my portfolio. Financials are at 8%. Energy 7%. Consumer staples 5%. Utility, healthcare, industrials are all 1%. So as you see here, information technology and consumer discretionary, Tesla and Apple and Intel are basically half of my entire investing portfolio. I'm new to investing. I'm pro growth stocks and dividend stocks. My main strategy initially was pro dividend, but as we were going through a really unusual market where we're seeing the tech stocks are on a severe discounts, it just hurts not to do anything about it. So when things go back to normal, we're going to go back to the old strategy where we're going to be focusing on dividends and blue chip dividend stock. But for now, the eyes are on Tesla and Apple and ARK, mainly until the markets settle down, where we're going to go back to the main principles. As for the income, although AT&T is still the main top provider of dividends here at 18.8%. Realty income comes second, 12.7%. Exxon 8.6%. SPHD, the ETF, provides 8.4%. Schwab, S&P 500 5.9%. Main Street Capital 5.6%. Pembina 4.5%. Apple 4.4, and AGNC 3.4, and Stag 3.3. I would love to hear what you think is going to happen this coming week. What stocks are you focusing on? What do you think about the Suez Canal crisis?
That's it, guys, for this week. If you have not signed up to Robinhood yet, links are in the description below. You can get a free stock from Robinhood. It's a win-win deal. And if you have not smashed the like button, please do so. You can kick it, hit it, smack it, do something to it. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like the content of this channel in general, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. And until next time, you guys, take care.